Welcome back to Bake Sip Chat. I'm Carolyn.
I'm Kim.
And today we're going to make
Yellow Cake Cupcakes.
Ooh, baby, that is a lot of ingredients.
It is a lot of ingredients and a lot of steps, but stay with us.
They go quick.
Yes.
Let's get started.
All right, let's get this out of the way. So first we're gonna add our half of a cup of butter, unsalted.
I know. No, we
unsalted.
like salted butter.
I know, but look at all this goodness we're adding. We're gonna make up for it.
Better.
So just half of a cup of salted butter, room temperature.
All right, you want to put that in there?
Yep.
Want me to lift this?
Sure. Okay.
Teamwork.
Go ahead and let's add in our 1.5 cups of white sugar.
Going in. Perfect.
And then what you want to do now is give this a nice little mix for about 5 to 8 minutes.
5 to 8 minutes.
Yep.
Wow. Okay. It's gonna be nice and fluffy.
Yes, it will. And I think we should just have a sip of wine while we sit here and wait.
We might as well sit here and chat. Sit. How are you doing? Ooh. They're very last.
Yep. All right, our mixture here of the butter and sugar have come together.
Perfect.
Perfect. Yep. So now we're gonna add some oil.
Oil, how much oil?
Half of a cup of canola or vegetable oil.
Okay.
Going in.
Man, you're good.
Oil and butter in cupcakes is divine. That's all I can say. So this recipe calls for 2 eggs and you have to separate them. So right now we're just gonna add the 2 egg yolks.
Got our yolks.
Going in.
Oh, you want me to? Yeah. Oh, I grabbed them, didn't I?
Yeah, I'll share.
Oh, I hope it was both at the same time.
Ew, I hate egg yolks. And let's go ahead and add in our 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And 1 teaspoon of butter extract, my baby.
Butter.
I'll go first.
Okay.
And then you do the vanilla.
I'll wait.
Guys, if you have not had butter extract, run to the stores. Okay, don't run. Walk.
Run.
And get
Always
some butter extract.
I didn't even know that was a thing until I met you. Until there was you.
It must just be a Midwest thing.
Must be. I've never extracted my butter.
You've never had butter extract?
No. Wipe our stuff on our aprons here.
Look at our cute little aprons.
Look, my mommy made them.
Aw, I love it.
We're special.
Okay.
So do we mix that together?
We're gonna cream this together. Look at that.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Let's give it a little top notch here. Woo, that's
a little,
too fast.
a little.
Sheesh.
Calm down.
Slow down. Okay, you guys, so next we're going to add in our dry ingredients, which is a combination of 2.5 cups of unbleached flour.
Bleached flour?
No, we're doing weird stuff right now.
Going really weird.
Out of our norm.
Weird town.
2.5 cups of unbleached flour and 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda and a teaspoon of salt. So, and you want to sift it
3 times.
Uno, dos, tres. 3 times.
You
Sift.
make it light and voluminous.
Yes.
Good words, Carol. Thank you.
So we're gonna add the dry ingredients and we're gonna alternate adding 1.5 cups of buttermilk. So we're just gonna kind of alternate here.
Do a little bit of each.
Yep. So let's turn our mixer on and start adding. Look at our beautifully sifted flour. Who did that?
Me.
All right, go
Ready?
in with some buttermilk.
Tell me when.
Stop.
Oh, and I make
Oh, good. I get it. I got your back.
All right.
Well, now I'm making a mess.
I know. I love it.
It's a little mess though. Okay, go in with some more buttermilk there.
Don't want to clean up after me.
I love to clean up after you. I do, I truly do. It's a weirdness. We'll go ahead and go in with the rest of the flour here.
Want me to whack you from behind?
Whack. All right, did it.
All right. Perfect.
All right, go ahead and add in the rest of the buttermilk. Good job. So as they bake, they will turn yellow and the edges get a little crispy, which is awesome.
I like a crispy edge to a cupcake.
So do I.
I don't think you're supposed to, but we do. We like them crispy.
So there you go.
But what is this?
Oh yeah,
Don't forget.
I can't believe I forgot the egg whites.
I moved them out of
I'm
your
so
way.
sorry, egg whites. Okay, we forgot about the egg whites. The remaining egg whites are going in.
And that's just the 2 egg whites from the yolks.
Yep.
That we had earlier.
That is correct. That will help make it turn a little yellow.
That will help, yes.
Darn you, wine. Alrighty. I think you don't want to overmix that, so let's turn that off.
Just till incorporated.
Yep.
Okay.
Look at those.
That's pretty.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
Okay, next we're gonna pour into some muffin tin.
Now we're going to scoop them out into our trays. This will make 24 cupcakes.
Yep. We got our
cookie scoops so that they're all even.
This is for you, Liam. We love you.
I know. Here's your cookie scoop shot.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Ready,
And
set?
you want to fill them up a little more than a half full.
Half full.
A little more than half. Not all the way because you don't want them to run over. That's good. We fudged.
No fudging.
Get a close up of this. Yeah, get a close up of this messy cupcake then.
Don't point out my faux pas. I was working incredibly fast.
That's gonna be the best cupcake you want. Okay, now these are gonna go in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes.
20 minutes. I so want a cupcake.
Just until you see that brownness around the edges and they're nice and yellow and the toothpick comes out clean.
Comes out clean. Perfect.
Yep.
Let's get them in. We have our yellow cupcakes already out of the oven.
We are gonna frost them with our chocolate buttercream frosting that we made. And if you wanna learn how to make this delicious frosting, just go check out our video over here.
Perfect.
All right.
Are you ready to frost? Are you gonna pipe?
I'm gonna pipe.
Kim's gonna pipe. She doesn't even like piping. She's really good at it though.
No, I'm scared.
You're fine.
Okay.
I promise.
All right, let's go
You
to
can
town,
do it.
girl. Let's frost and sprinkle.
Finally, we get to eat the cupcake.
It's done.
It's done. I'm excited.
There's quite a few steps, but it's well worth it.
It is a lot of steps. But that's what quality baking is about.
Okay, ready?
Good.
Cheers.
Cheers. All right. Stop it. It's so good. Oh yeah.
A little red wine.
Red wine.
Chocolate and red wine. Yummy.
That's an all right combination.
Thanks for joining, you guys. You guys are awesome. Keep supporting us.
Yes, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. We want to see more of you, and hopefully you want to see more of us. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye. And today we are making
Yellow cake. I just got nervous all of a sudden.
Your piping was good.
All right, let's try one.